Good morning and welcome back to the Jumpstart on CBT News. Today is Thursday, April 23rd. Here are today's top stories brought to you by Force Marketing. Tesla is planning to increase capital expenditures to more than $25 billion this year as CEO Elon Musk intensifies focus on AI, robotics, and chip development. The massive spending increase is part of what their CFO called a multi-year heavy investment phase that's expected to result in negative free cash flow through 2026. Despite the cautious investor reaction, Tesla reported $1.44 billion in free cash flow for Q1. The company continues shifting strategy towards autonomy and robotics, preparing to begin production of its Cybercab autonomous vehicle later this year. Amazon is expanding its Amazon Autos platform to include vehicles from Hyundai, Kia, Mazda, Subaru, Chevrolet, and Jeep across more than 130 US cities. The platform allows consumers to browse inventory, secure financing, and complete paperwork online before picking up at participating dealerships. This hybrid approach combines direct-to-consumer elements with traditional dealership fulfillment, adding pressure to a market that generated $1.3 trillion in dealership sales last year. Early adoption has revealed operational challenges, including incomplete paperwork and conflicts between online reservations and in-store sales. Rivian confirmed production of the R2 has begun at its Normal, Illinois plant, with first customer deliveries expected before summer. The electric R2 is designed to compete in the mainstream SUV segment, with pricing starting at approximately $45,000, significantly lower than Rivian's premium R1T and R1S models. The vehicle features 3 powertrain configurations, delivering up to 656 horsepower and 345 miles of range. Rivian maintains the direct-to-consumer sales model, bypassing franchise dealerships entirely and putting it in direct competition with traditional dealer networks. Spring deliveries will be Rivian's first real test of whether brand loyalty can scale beyond its premium early adopter base. Hertz saw EV reservations jump nearly 25% in March, while Turo reported an 11% increase, with bookings spiking even higher as gas topped $4 per gallon. The surge is being driven by rising fuel costs tied to the Middle East conflict, pushing renters, especially in high-cost regions, to seek cheaper alternatives. Unlike car buyers, renters are showing a fast willingness to switch, even as overall US EV sales remain under pressure. That's all for today's show, but join me again here tomorrow morning to get more of the top headlines that are hitting the automotive industry. And if you haven't already, go check out the latest section on our website, Solutions Central. Solutions Central is dealers' always-on resource for actionable insights from top retail partners. Cut through the noise with hand-picked white papers, research reports, webinars, and executive briefs geared to help dealers drive efficiency and profitability across all departments, including sales, fixed ops, marketing, AI, and more. Have an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you again here tomorrow morning.